Denzel McKenzie, first game in the Jamaica Premier League for Cavalier, scoring 2 goals. What are your thoughts on your performance today?
Well, I'm pretty pleased with my performance. Being confident before the game. My teammates telling me this game will be my game to show what I really have coming in with the new team. Pleased with my performance and the team performance. I will go forward from here.
New team, as you said. How are you gelling in with the players and getting accustomed to the Cavalier style of play?
It's good, because the players and the coaches they really do believe in me, and it's just up to me to show my class and what I can carry with me with the team.
Also, made your debut recently in the CONCACAF Caribbean Club Championship. What was that experience like?
Very good experience. My first game in the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup. A pretty tough game for me, but we have 2 games in hand. We need to win and move forward from there.
Where fitness is concerned, how far you think, how are you think you are right now?
I'm going to get really fit as possible as I can to help the team as much as possible.
Tell us about the goals, Denzel. 2 different type of goals. One was very well placed. The other one was a cheeky flick. Tell us about how you felt about those 2 goals.
Well, I knew the first goal was going to score, but I never expect the second one to go in. But when I realized it went in, I just have to give God thanks.
Thanks, Denzel. All the best.
Thank you very much.